Hello friends, welcome back to drawing tutorials. So in the last tutorial we have learned how to practice making a circle, and we have also seen like how we can make shapes using lines. So we have made a robot, so you can also practice uh, making drawings of lines. And now as you have learned to draw a circle, now you should try making figures or making drawings or cartoons with circles or in combination of lines, straight lines and circles. Like you can make straight drawing like this, or you can make a straight drawing of a running man like this. Okay, or you can make a drawing that plays football like this. So you can keep on practicing like this. So by practicing you will enhance your drawing skills more and more. So just keep on scribbling anything. You can make smileys, crying smiley, or like this. So there are so many things that you can draw. Just keep on practicing like this. So this will make you feel like you are able to draw something. So just keep on doing anything that you like, that you want. And the most easy thing, like start your drawings by making cartoons, because cartoons are very easy to make. They are all made from round lines and straight lines, which are very easy. Like for example, if you want to make a Mickey Mouse shape, okay, not like this. So this is how you make a Mickey Mouse. So you have seen like it is made from circles only or curves. So keep on practicing like this. So this is the next tutorial. Like after practicing straight lines, after practicing circles, you should start practicing making figures that make use of straight lines and curves. Okay, so see you in next tutorial. Have fun.